we're going for a cheeky little look in Asda's to get some snackies. Dad, I'm getting these football cards for my 50 quid from the Tooth Fairy. Dad, do not take me near the fish aisle.
You love the fish.
I'm allergic to it. Dad, we're near the fish, mate, so get away. Dad, I'm going to be sick. It stinks of cats in it. Dad, 50-50. Eddie Abu says half crap, half crap. Wait, Dad, should we finally get this for Mum? I need to get some strawberry splits. Dad, I'm getting all these, mate. Oh, no.